Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Refersion platform and show you how you can get set up with your new Refersion account. I'll be walking through every tab one by one so that you can learn the full scope of the platform, and I'll be highlighting key features for you to look out for. Let's start with the dashboard. The dashboard is like the homepage for your account. On it, you can see some pending action items, as well as a brief overview of how your program has been doing. You can filter by offer and also by date range. Please keep in mind that the dashboard only shows data for approved conversions. You also have some actions that you can take from the dashboard. If you click Affiliate Sign Up, then you can get the link to your registration form for any of your offers. You can click Perform Test Order to get a test order link in case you need to double check your integration with Refersion. You can click Generate Referral Link to get a referral link for any of your affiliates. It can either go to your homepage or a specific page on your site. And your affiliates have the same functionality in their own dashboard. They can create page-specific referral links. Lastly, you can add conversion triggers. In addition to link tracking, conversion triggers are another way that you can track affiliate sales. Your options are affiliate coupon code, a customer's email, or a SKU. Just select the trigger type, the trigger that you want to enter, and the affiliate that you want to associate it with. You can also upload conversion triggers in bulk. Now let's go to the Manage tab. Manage Conversions. Conversions are all of the referred sales that your affiliates have sent to your store through their promotion. On this tab, you can see each conversion's order ID, as well as many additional columns, including the date, the affiliate's name and ID, sales, commission, status, and auto-approval date. You can search through your conversions either by order number or subscription ID, or also by the affiliate's name or email. You've also got some filtering options. You can change the view, and you can export all of your conversions. Now let's go over the Manage Affiliates tab. This view is similar to the Conversions tab. You can search for affiliates by ID or email, adjust the filters, export your affiliates, and adjust the column views. You can also manually add affiliates if you need to. On this page, you can see each affiliate's ID, as well as their registration date, status, the offer they're in, as well as their lifetime performance. You can also log in to any active affiliate's account to see what they see by clicking Actions, Log In As. This is the affiliate dashboard, where your affiliates can see a general overview of their performance, as well as the program terms and privacy policy, their link to your store, and any coupon codes they might have. They have different tabs that they can access, such as their payment history, messages from you, reporting, and their settings. If you're on our enterprise plan and you have a new Refersion account, but you also have an existing affiliate program and need to import affiliates into Refersion, then that's something that we can help you with. In our Help Center, we have many helpful articles, including one that goes over how you can bulk import affiliates into Refersion. So if that's something that you need help with, please just reach out to us. Offers are how you sort your affiliates into different groups or commission structures. When you open a new account, you'll have just one offer by default, but you can have as many as you want when you click Create Offer. When you click into an offer, you can edit its settings. There are several settings that you can configure in an offer. The main one is the commission type. If you click this drop-down, you'll see your options: flat rate per order, flat rate per item, percent of sale, and tiered. For our enterprise merchants, you also have the option to set two different rates on commission for new customers and returning customers, such as seen here. You also have some advanced options that you can configure, including the cookie day window, automatically approving affiliates, settings for subscriptions, and for our enterprise merchants, you can choose to hide referral links or coupon codes from your affiliates. You can also show products to your affiliates. We'll get to that in a little bit. On the left, you have some additional tabs that you can configure. You have your general commission rate, which is set on the Commission Structure tab, but you can also set specific rates for specific products in your store if you like, using the Product Level Commissions tab. Here you can add specific SKUs from your store and set their own commission rate, or you can upload SKUs in bulk. For our enterprise merchants, there's also the option to set up bonus tiers. You can award your affiliates based on their lifetime performance with bonus tiers. In this example, the bonus tiers are based on number of conversions. So each time an affiliate crosses this threshold of conversions, they receive a bonus. This is a great way to engage your affiliates to drive more sales by incentivizing them with additional commission. Next is the Manage Products tab. If you have an Amazon store or a Shopify store connected to your Refersion account, then your store's products are going to show up on this page. You have the option to search through your products or filter. On this page, you can see all of your products, the platform, SKU, price, and whether or not it's being promoted. You'll need to decide whether or not you want your products promoted on Refersion's marketplace. We also saw earlier that you have the option to show products to affiliates based on their offer. When you do that, your affiliates will have access to a Products tab in their affiliate dashboard, where they can see each of the products that you're promoting and quickly grab links for each product to promote. In order for any of your store's products to show up anywhere, you need to promote them from here. You can select them all using the checkboxes on the left and then click Promote. The final Manage tab is the Creatives tab. Creatives are assets that you can upload for your affiliates to help with promoting for you. You can upload images, GIFs, or text here. Any creatives that you upload will be available to your affiliates on their affiliate dashboard. Let's move on to the Channels tab. The first is the Marketplace. The Marketplace is a network that Refersion hosts. It's on its own website, and it's basically like a separate platform. On this network, there are thousands of affiliates and some of our VIP publishers. They're looking to partner with brands and promote for them. So this is a great tool that you can use to passively grow your program. Before you can list your offer on the Marketplace, you'll want to customize your registration form, which we'll get to in a second. You'll also need to upload your program's terms and conditions, as well as upload some content for your program. Just a quick description about who you guys are and what you do. Finally, you'll just change your listing status from no to yes. It's a very passive tool. You basically just set it and forget it. But once your offer is listed on the Marketplace, affiliates that are interested in promoting for you will be able to apply. Next is the Email Templates tab. You have some email templates in Refersion that you can work with. They're like notification emails. You see your options on the left. The most important email is the welcome email. When an affiliate applies to join your program and gets approved, they'll receive this email. You can edit the subject line as well as the text. We definitely recommend personalizing this email to make your affiliates feel involved. Maybe give a gentle reminder about what your brand is and what you do, or give your affiliates some tips on how you want to promote. We also have integrations with Klaviyo and MailChimp. Email is not the dedicated focus of Refersion, so if you have an email platform that you're already using, you can definitely also use that to communicate with your affiliates. Platforms such as Klaviyo and MailChimp allow you to make the emails more on brand, as well as include dynamic content, as well as send email blasts to your affiliates if you have a promotion or a new product or a sale going on. The affiliate registration page. This is where you can customize your affiliate registration form. Each of your offers has their own form where the commission is being specified. Each form also includes your account's terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. And all of the forms asks the same questions to your affiliates. You have the option to customize the colors for the form. And on the left, on custom form fields, you can add additional questions to your registration form that aren't there when you first open a new Refersion account. By clicking Add Custom Field, you'll receive a pop-up, and you can use this dropdown to ask your affiliates additional questions when they're joining your program. You have some default options for contact info. Custom Field is an option for you to ask whatever you want. You can ask your affiliates how they plan on promoting for you, ask for their social media accounts, ask what they like about your brand, anything you think you need to know about an affiliate to determine if they're a good fit. Another tool that you can use to passively grow your program from Refersion is the post-purchase widget. The post-purchase widget is a pop-up that would show up on your store's thank you page anytime a customer finishes an order. It's prompting your customer to join your affiliate program, which is great. Your customers are already a fan of your brand. The pop-up is meant as a quick action, so when the customer finishes their order, they'll be able to activate and get their link or coupon code to start promoting for you right away. They also receive a separate welcome email different from the normal one under the email templates, just because they're joining your program a little differently. In order to use this setting, you select an offer for your customers to join, give them the option to promote with either link or coupon code, and then on the fourth tab, you have a block of JavaScript code that you'll need to add to your store's thank you page. If you're on Shopify, you can just copy and paste this code exactly. No changes need to be made. If your store is on another e-commerce platform, though, then you'll need to configure the JavaScript in order to pull the customer's information from the order that they just placed. Next is the Payments tab. On the Ready to Pay tab, you'll see all of your affiliates who are owed commission. When affiliates have approved conversions, the commission from those conversions gets added up here. You can filter through all affiliates based on conversion date, what form of payment they accept, how much they're owed, as well as filter for specific affiliates or specific offers. The Refersion platform supports many different options for paying your affiliates. I won't go into all of the options in detail, but at a high level, your options are PayPal, Trolley, Refersion Pay, payment via gift card, or manually outside of Refersion. The payment option that you go with may depend on which Refersion plan you're on, as well as where your business is located. Either way, on this page, you'll select the affiliates that you want to pay, and then process the payment through your chosen option. Any payments that you finish through any methods will be available on the Payment Status tab. On the Reporting tab, you have the option to run reports from within your account. Up here, you can select the report type, and then below, you'll see a preview of what the report will look like, including what columns will be added. You set a name for the report, set a recipient, set the report to be one-time or recurring, and then set a date range. When you queue the report, it'll get emailed to you whenever it's ready, and it'll also be available on the Report Status tab on the left for download. Recurring reports would be on the Recurring Reports tab. These are the reports that you can run by yourself from within the UI. However, we also have a report request form that we can send to you if you're interested. On this form, you have many additional options for reports. Again, there is the option for one-time or recurring, but you have added report types. When you click a report type, you'll have different options for what kind of report you can select. You can select the date range, add a recipient, and add additional notes. For our enterprise merchants, there's also the option to select a custom report. This gives you the most flexibility with what kind of data you want to include in your reporting. Finally, you have the Account Settings tab. Typically, this part of the account is one that you won't be using very often unless you're following specific instructions to do something. You have your general settings. On the Branding tab, you can upload your account's logo, as well as choose your company's site, which gets used on the Refersion marketplace. On the Tracking tab, this is where you'll need to connect your Refersion account to your online store by clicking Add Tracking. Connecting your online store with your Refersion account is probably the most important step in getting your account set up. Someone from the Refersion team will be in touch to help you with this. But otherwise, on this page, you'll select your e-commerce platform and follow the instructions on the next page. If you're on our enterprise plan, you'll also have the option to connect your Amazon store to your Refersion account. One thing that I'll mention is that by default, your Refersion account can only connect to one store at a time. But if you have multiple stores that you want to connect your Refersion account and allow your affiliates to promote for, then you can utilize our multi-domain service. The multi-domain service is only available to our enterprise merchants though, so please get in touch with someone at Refersion to get this set up for you. On the left, I won't go through all of the tabs specifically, but I'll point you towards the most relevant ones. The Manage Users tab is where you can add additional users to your account. If you're working with a team of people to run the affiliate program, then the main account holder can add additional users here. The Program Terms and Privacy is where you can upload your program's terms and privacy. This shows up on the affiliate dashboard as well as on the registration form. Here you'll want to include language about how your program works, how you want affiliates to promote, how you don't want them to promote, payment schedule, and things like that. Finally, on the bottom left, we have many tabs for our several integrations. You'll probably be following a specific integration guide that points you to one of these tabs, so I won't walk through them individually. The Account Billing tab is where you can view your account's billing settings. Pretty straightforward, I won't get into that. The very last tab that I'll go over is the Message Center. Refersion has a built-in message center that you can use to communicate with your affiliates. You can write to your affiliates individually or send an announcement to all of your affiliates at once, or you can even sort by offer. Your affiliates need to log into their dashboard to see and respond to the message, so it's not as good as an email platform. But you can definitely consider using it, and your affiliates might reach out to you through here sometimes. Finally, if you click your name on the top right, you can access some additional settings for the account, such as your profile settings, the Help Center, and our feature updates. That's the Refersion platform in a nutshell. If you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we'll get your questions answered for you. Thank you. Have a good day.